malayo.
Yeah, I think you have to go on airplane too.
Oh, really ba?
Yeah.
Damn.
Because there's a weapon yesterday that...
Are you from BGC ba? No, I'm just from Mandaluyong. Pero it's near BGC. I feel like it's just 10 minutes away from BGC.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's actually, I'm very near lang sa BGC, pero I'm not from BGC. I'm just from Mandaluyong. Outside
Then
Mandaluyong.
you have to ride there.
English ng English. Alam mo,
Siyempre English yung driver natin.
Oh, di ba? Hindi naman ikaw lang yung maorto.
I wanted because your dad...
Sampo combine kita. Kuya, hindi ka naiirita sa kanya. Baka maging pet peeve mo siya, kuya.
Pwede po pa-picture tayo mamaya.
Sige po.
Kahit dito na.
Si Lloyd taga BGC na. Actually, yeah. And you know what?
Kasi yung kambal ko halos kaedad.
Do you have kambal po?
Yeah.
Like, oh my god. So cute about it.
You know what? Every
They don't
time.
believe na idadrag ko kayo.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Hindi ko sinasabi sa kanila where I work. It's confidential.
Yeah.
Ano naman yung father.
Yeah.
Yes po. You know what, guys? Si Lloyd, every time, if I said na every time,
Tayo.
no po, diretso lang po.
No po, just straight ahead po.
Every time na we're at ABS,
Yata itong kumpleto, mayroon tayong parking space.
Diyos ko po.
I mean, sige po, diretso lang po.
English
I mean,
ng
if you have
English
to go there
every
naman
day.
po, tapos if you want to have a parking lot, they have a free parking po for everyone. Then you have to ride po there.
Rapakang tunay. Napakarte ni Lloyd, di ka alam mo jowa niya.
Ano, magpapabili ka po tayo mo?
Hindi po, kumain na po ako.
Really?
Yeah, I
You want coffee? I know you want coffee. Yeah, I can buy you coffee. Go. Just straight ahead po. Then go stop to PBB house po. I'll say a word there.
Saan kumakain ni Lloyd?
I think
Lloyd!
you have to stay here in this car. Sige po, straight ahead ba po?
Sabi ni wait lang Lloyd, pwede?
Then, kuya, you see that guy who's wearing a white shirt? You have to stop there, yeah.
Left side parking?
Yeah.
Yes po. I'm here na sa aking dating bahay.
But I think you're going down right now? Or you want me to buy you coffee first
Yeah.
before you go there?
No.
What do you want? Go
Buy
there
me
first?
coffee first. Yeah.
Bibili ka na.
Yes po, sure po.
Yan, nakambal ko.
Oh.
Babae? I
Anak!
thought you have a brother kambal.
No.
Sorry, I thought you have that one. Sorry.
Sama ka na.
Oo nga, sama ka na.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm shy. Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Ako ba na kayo? Di pa.
Lloyd, buy
It's
me
the one,
coffee.
Like, Kuya, you should wait me here po.
Okay.
Dyan lang po yung Starbucks. I can buy her coffee lang po first. What do you want me to do? Bring all your things na?
Wala lang po kayo.
Okay lang po, kuya.
How about you, Kuya? Want coffee?
Coffee or me? Coffee or Coffee or me?
Kuya, wait for me Don't look at me. Nagkabalat of me.
Good morning! Good morning!
Morning.
Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning, Sangge! Good morning!
Parang hindi pagod
Itutour ko kayo. I miss this house.
Namiss mo ba? Namiss mo?
Hello, mami, namiss ko yung bahay. Yo, this is a storage room.
No, you're so early.
Why?
You're the first one.
Oh, it's okay. It's alright. And here is the task room, everybody.
You know that it's confidential.
Oh, Kuya, I miss you na! Ibalik mo na ako dito sa bahay mo. Pagod na ako sa outside world. Ah! Kuya? Kuya, pakibalik na po ako sa bahay niyo. Pagod na po ako sa outside world. Please, ibalik niyo na ako. Please lang.
Where you
Pagod na ako. Ha?
Where you heading? Where you going to stay?
Dito na... Oh! You look.
No. I just closed it.
Oh, diba? Big.
I don't know how. I just closed it.
Oh my God, I miss my house.
Hello?
Kuya! Dito na lang ako, please!
Girl, bawal mag-live. Nakita ka agad ni Ate Kat.
Ah!
Kuya, buksan mo ko.
Wala pa sila? Wala pa sila, May?
Palibasa, malapit lang ako nito eh.
Malayo-layo pa ako, ma'am.
Ay, hindi ka ba naka-check in sa hotel?
Hindi. Mandaluyong pa ako, May.
Hello po, good morning.
Good morning. Bawal daw mag-live. Sorry. Sorry. Didn't know.
Sorry.
Haha.
Girl, what do you want?
I want white mocha nga. I white mocha frap. Less sweet. Mga 50% lang sweetness.
Yan, nane. We don't have any cash.
Oh, damn. Guys, out na ako. Kakausapin ko pa si Kuya at si Madam. Gusto ko ibalik na niya ako dito sa bahay. Kasi pagod na ako sa inyo lahat. Joke.